Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Muhammad Izwan bin Molpie, and my metric number is AN190013. So, I will present my final year project, which is I have to do a powered wheelbarrow. Then my supervisor, my valuable supervisor is Puan Rashida binti Nurjali. Alright, we go first to the abstract for my project. According to the studies, majority of users have issue with the resistance of their wheelbarrow or strollers, and mostly wheelbarrows do not live long owing to a variety of problems. Carrying great items, especially during the wet season, make gripping hands, and moving the stroller through slick, uneven terrain or slippery road condition difficult. And therefore, power wheelbarrow have been designed to allow wheelbarrow to carry bigger loads beyond the weight that people can carry without using much energy or workforce. By pushing the wheelbarrow, the employees just need to exert a little force for it to resolve smoothly. As a result, the wheelbarrow safety system may be improved so that users can use it safely. Then the experimental units will be separated into three categories, which is construction area, agriculture area, and factory area. Right, we go to the introduction for my project. The main benefit of the power wheelbarrow for my project is allows for the easy transport for heavy loads. And this can be especially useful in construction, agriculture, and factory settings, where large amounts of materials need to be moved quickly and efficiently. With a powered wheelbarrow, employees do not need to exert as much force to push the wheelbarrow, which can reduce the risk of injury or strain. And it would be able to move with slippery or uneven terrain easily. This can make the process of moving materials faster and more efficient, which can help increase productivity and reduce downtime. Then the primary objective for my project is to develop the motorized mechanism for powered heavy-duty wheelbarrow. It is intended to make it easier for users to push the wheelbarrow. 350 watt 24 volt brushless DC motor will be used as the actuator of the entire system to move a wheelbarrow without requiring much workforce. Then the purpose of this project is to design and fabricate a powered wheelbarrow driven by a battery powered DC motor to enable wheelbarrow to carry heavy loads beyond the weights that a human alone could transport. So this is my literature review, which is overlay and later powered cut from Nika Hemingway 2013. And then Lenworks Super Duty 24 volt battery powered electric wheelbarrow from Garden Love 2020. Then Makita motorized wheelbarrow from Power Tool 2017. Then the last one is a track barrow from Robert Israel. This is 2019. So now we go to the methodology of my project of power wheelbarrow. So as you can see in the figure 1 shows a complete system block diagram for a powered wheelbarrow. And then the brushless motor controller is used as the microcontroller for the system. So I use the motor controller for my microcontroller. And then the controller is able to regulate the motor speed and the forward reverse motion of a wheelbarrow. Both the microprocessors and the motor lever are powered by the power supply, which is I use the 24 volt battery lithium ion. Then the forward and backward buttons are connected to the microcontroller as digital input, and a separate button is used to manually control the movement of the wheelbarrow. Additionally, a throttle is linked to the microcontroller to increase the motor speed. And then the electronic brake system, or we call it as a EBS, which improve the safety of the system, is to help the user to stop the stroller on a slope. Then the EBS controls the movement of the tire and the user can regulate it using the EBS button. Right. So this is my data and result for my project, result in discussion. The first one, the project testing a different area and soil surface with terrain class, which is the terrain class is we get undulating, flat, rolling. This is a three of terrain class that I have found for my project. So through the data, the construction has two types of surface, which are sandy and cement. Based on the data above, it is apparent that both sandy soil and cement soil have a flat surface in the construction area. The result of the experiment shows that the performance of wheelbarrow in the construction area that has a flat trend with a fixed load weight is successful. Then we go to the agriculture area that has two types of surface, namely clay and peat surfaces. Based on the data above, the two types of land each consist of undulating and rolling terrain class surface. The experimental result shows that the performance of wheelbarrow in the agriculture area is successful by transporting a load weight of less than 20 kilogram. Then we go to the manufacturing area, factory area that only has one type of surface, which is a cement or tar surface with a flat photography. The experiment finding revealed that the wheelbarrow's performance in the manufacturing area is successful, conveying a load weight of less than 20 kg. For this testing, I use fixed load, which is 20 kg for testing to the factory area, construction, and agriculture area. So the Power Wheelbarrow project was designed and manufactured to meet requirements in the Bachelor of Electrical Engineering Technology. During the process of making these products, a lot of knowledge about the field of expertise, collaboration from lecturer and expert involved in the development of our such products are very helpful in making this project a success. With this project, it will provide users in time, energy, and money. The objective of this product is to develop the motorized mechanism for heavy-duty wheelbarrow, then to integrate a wheelbarrow equipment with a brushless motor and driven mechanism capable of moving wheelbarrow, and then finally to evaluate the effectiveness of powered wheelbarrow with different load and surface area. So at the end of this project, the powered wheelbarrow will bring benefits to users, although it is an innovative product, the benefits will be felt by everyone. So to future improvement, or we call it as a recommendation for my final year project, the first suggestion is add a sponge to the handle of the product, as the rubber on the handle is hard and can cause minor cuts on the user's palm. This is especially important when the user is lifting a high load, as the pressure on the handle will be high and the sponge can help to reduce this pressure. The second one is to improve the design of product to make it more attractive to the buyers. The design of product is an important factor in attracting the attention of buyers and making it more visually appealing can help to increase its appeal. Then another suggestion is to increase security features to protect the user safety, uh, such as edge shock absorber, which are hydraulic oil pump like components that aid in reducing the impact and rebound movement of spring and suspension. Shock absorbers help to keep the tires in contact with the road surface, providing the safest control and brake action, and also smooth on bumps and vibrations. So